Yes, I like stickers, and I bet you like stickers as much as I like them if you have clicked on this video. I stick them on all of my items, like on my phone, on my laptop, even on my drawers or on bikes. But most of these stickers have one problem: they are printed on white vinyl, so they have these typical white outlines. And in my opinion, it doesn't look good if you stick them on dark items like on the phone. So I like to show you in this video how I create my own white printed stickers on transparent vinyl made for dark items. So let's start. And first step, we have to create a nice design and a nice sticker, and to do so I use Adobe Illustrator as the software and my laptop. To create your stickers in Adobe Illustrator you need minimum skills. You have to know how to import graphics and how to edit graphics. And I start with a new file and a new layer, and on the first layer I put a gray rectangle because I want to create white graphics and white stickers, and then it's a good idea to have a gray background to make them visible. And on the next layer I have my graphic, a helmet with some nice letters, Rule the Hill, and that's the sticker I like to print. And the white areas make it a bit special and usable for also dark items like my phone, or maybe a dark bike frame, or a dark helmet, or your car, or whatever you like. And to make it a sticker I have to create a cut line, here shown in red, and that cut line is needed to cut it with a sign maker to cut the sticker. And I like to show you how to create a cut line using another graphic, Eat My Dust, also a vector file. And if you have an image, a JPEG, you have to create the cut line by hand. And you can use the pen tool to do so. And you can place points around your image which create the line. And it's a bit time consuming and sometimes frustrating if you have curves, because you have to edit every single curve. And I like to show you a fast way, so I have to delete my Selfmade cut line. And if you have a vector image or a vector graphic like these letters, they are converted to a vector image. You can use Adobe Illustrator to create the cut line. Go to Object, go to Path, Offset Path, set the offset to 0.1, click OK, and Adobe Illustrator creates an offset around every single letter, here shown in white. I change the fill color to red. I change the fill color to outline, and now we have an outline around every single letter. And I use the Pathfinder tool and I unite all these single outlines to one outline around all the letters. Now I have to delete some informs inside these letters because I want only the out form. And I select them, I delete them, and I'm done. Now I can copy my outline, my cut line, to the cut line layer, and my file is ready to print and cut. And here I have my sticker sheet where I arrange different stickers I like to print and cut. You can see also the red outlines. And I use a roll and sign maker, a roll and cutter. So I have also Roll and Cut Studio included in Adobe Illustrator, and Cut Studio creates these registration points, these registration marks, here shown as black circles, and I can place my graphics inside these circles. That's the area where I can cut anything I like. And what I have to do is I have to make the cut layer invisible because I don't want to print it, and also the gray background, and that's the file I like to print, so we can change to the printer and print our stickers. To print white stickers I need a special printer with white toner or white ink inside. So let's check what's inside and what's the difference to a normal printer. That laser printer has also a cyan, yellow and magenta cartridge like a normal laser printer, but instead of a K or black cartridge it has a white toner cartridge, and the white is printed on top of all these three colors, so it's possible to print also white stickers, white decals or white transfers, and that's what I like to do. The white toner in this printer is printed on top of all colors, so I cannot print direct on a vinyl sheet. I have to use a transfer sheet to transfer my graphics with a heat press, because if I print direct on a vinyl sheet I have the white on top and my colors are not visible, and if I want to have the colors visible I have to turn the graphics around, and I have to transfer this sheet on a vinyl, and that's why I use a heat press. But at first, let's print our stickers. And that is what the printer did. It printed white on all these transparent colors to make them opaque. And I mirror printed all my graphics. And what I have to do now is I have to heat press them onto a vinyl sheet to bring all the colors on top to make the graphics opaque and usable for all these dark items. I heat press these two sheets 30 seconds at 200 degrees Celsius. Now I have to wait until they cool down, and then I can use the sign maker to do the cut and to cut the stickers. The sticker sheet is done, a long way for some stickers, and maybe you ask yourself, what does that cost? And I can tell you I use serious stuff. What I used was an ETOE ES7411 WT white toner printer, which is round about 2,000 euro. The sign maker behind me is a Roland Chem 1 GX24, which is also round about 1,500 euro, and the heat press is the Caesar TS1, which is also round about 1,500 euro. Altogether 5,000 euro, and you need the software Adobe Illustrator, which is round about 300 euro per year or something like that. So all in all, 5,300 euro, and you are able to print your own white stickers. Yeah, that's a lot of money you have to invest, but I'm a custom painter. That helps me to paint my bikes, to paint helmets and something like that. And that's the amount of money I have to invest if I want to do custom painting. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to check also Insta and Facebook. I have to leave and stick on some stickers.